Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download YouTube videos to your phone gallery in just a few steps. First, open your YouTube app from your mobile phone. Then, go to the video that you want to download. For example, let's say this is the video you want to download. Now, close the YouTube app and open YouTube Studio. At the bottom, go to the Content section. Here, you can see all the available videos. Now, tap on the three dots next to the video you want to download. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Save to Device. You can see the video has started downloading. And that's it. How to download YouTube videos to your phone gallery. And if the video doesn't save to your gallery using this method, I have uploaded a video for you on my Instagram account. You can go there and watch it. The link to my Instagram account will be available in the YouTube video description below. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.